Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to see linked accounts on Steam. Alright, so let's begin with the video. So you want to see which accounts are linked to your Steam account. Here's how. First, open your Steam app on your PC and logged into your account. Once it's open, go to the upper left corner and click Help. Then select Steam Support. Here, scroll down and click on Steam Client, and then scroll again and select Offline Mode. Keep scrolling until you find Contact Steam Support and click it. Here, you can provide details about your issue. For example, you can write something like, I require information about which platforms my current Steam account is linked to. Recently, I tried connecting my Steam account to Platform, but it says it's already linked. Any help would be appreciated. You can also attach a file if needed. After filling out your request, click Send. Once your help request has been submitted to Steam Support, you'll get a reference code. After a support agent responds to your request, you'll receive a notification email in your account. All you need to do is wait for Steam Support to reach out via email. When they respond, they'll guide you on how to fix your issue and provide the information about which accounts are linked. And that's it. So that's basically how you can see linked accounts on Steam. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.